Today, we're diving into creating a split transition, a sleek and dynamic effect perfect for adding flair to your edits. Let's get started. First, import your clips into the timeline and place them back to back. This sets the stage for your transition. Next, head over to the effects library in the edit page and search for split under video transitions. Once you find it, drag and drop the transition between your two clips. Now, let's customize it to make the transition pop. Click on the transition in your timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right. Add a border to the split for a more polished look and choose a border color that complements your video. To make the transition smoother, enable motion blur from the settings. This adds a subtle touch of realism to the split. If you want to switch up the direction, simply check the reverse option to flip the split direction. Adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its edges in the timeline. This lets you control how fast or slow the effect unfolds. Play the clip to preview your work. And there you have it, a stylish split transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick and easy editing tips.